Ahoy hoy! Welcome back into my little abode. During the lockdown I've been going through all the guitars I own and Gavin's Grotty guitars, and this is an unsurprising shape yet again, isn't it? It's another Strat. This one, if you can see it from there, is an ARIA, but it doesn't say Pro II on it. ARIA is a Japanese company, started in the 60s, mid-60s, making acoustic guitars, started then into electrics, the Matsumoto factory, all to do with them as well. And then they changed their name, I think in the 70s, to ARIA Pro II. But there's no way this guitar is pre-70s. In fact, I know it isn't. So I think, and I can't find this out for truth, the STG Stage series is just their more affordable range, and they didn't put Pro II on it. Is there anything wrong with this? No, not really. It's a nice Strat. It's got a beautiful dark, slightly metallic tinge to it. You've got staggered pickups, 5-way selector, a trem with a bar for once. The neck is beautiful, nice and maple. Nice thin fretboard with the markers in the middle of it, which is nice. What to say about ARIA? Do they make great guitars? I think it's an interesting way of answering this. Yes, they do make great guitars. The SB1000, I think, is a bass used by many excellent people, you know, from Cliff Burton to Trevor Horn from Buggles. Use their basses professionally and live, well, when they were live. They also make some middle of the road stuff, and then they make some entry level stuff as well. And this is entry level, and it can't be faulted for that. Let's see what it sounds like. It sounds like it's already gone out of tune. So that's the bridge pickup. It's my cable again. It's the pickup selector, isn't it? Very strange things going on there, isn't there? like with many guitars which sort of turn up on my doorstep, something's wrong with them. Electronics need a looking at on this one, but I'm sure I picked it up for pennies rather than pounds. I think it was about £50 this guitar, and for a £50 guitar this is fantastic. The action is beautiful, the neck is wonderful and glossy, it looks right, it looks like every kid's eye, you know, when you draw a guitar, it's usually, you know, the red one. You got a floating bridge that works. That's a rarity, isn't it? And there's nothing wrong with it, apart from, as with all of these, get to an age and the electronics need redoing. If you see an ARIA and you need to practice on doing up guitars or something, buy one. Buy one cheaply. You know, because like this one, it's not going to work properly without a couple of hours on the bench and probably another 50 quid of money thrown at it. If anybody knows the difference between ARIAs and ARIA Pro IIs, do let me know. I couldn't find it by simply searching online. But yeah, a good cheap purchase if you want a guitar. Until next time, toodle pip.